x plus f of y by 2 is given to you. Okay. So what we do in this case is f of x plus y by 2 is equal to f of x plus f of y by 2 is given to you. So we use the basic definition of differentiability. F dash x is equal to limit h tending to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x by h. In this case, we do little rearrangement. Limit h tending to 0 f of 2x plus 2h by 2 minus f of x whole divided by h. Okay. So we use the same what is given to us. Limit h tending to 0. The value of this is given as f of 2x plus f of 2h by 2 minus f of x whole divided by h. Now, if I put in this y equal to 0, small x is equal to some 2 capital X. So what this becomes? F of capital X is equal to f of 2 capital X plus f of 0 by 2. Or we can say 2f of capital X minus f of 2 capital X is equal to f of 0. Okay, 2 times of f of x, this is equal to f of 0. That we'll use here. So limit h tending to 0. So f of 2x plus f of 2h minus 2f of x by 2h. Now f of 2x minus f2f of x is nothing but limit h tending to 0 f of 2h minus f of 0 by 2h. So this is nothing but we started with f dash x and which is equal to f dash 0. But they gave you f dash 0 as f z existent is equal to minus 1. So f dash x is equal to minus 1. This implies f of x equal to minus x plus some c constant. Now they gave you f of 0. F of 0 is minus 0 plus c. So we get f of 0 is equal to given as 1. So c equal to 1. So finally function you get as f of x is equal to minus x plus 1. So you want f of 2. F of 2 is minus 2 plus 1 which is equal to minus 1. I repeat once again. So what we did it is we used f of x plus y by 2 in the function f dash, in the definition f dash x. Because why we did this is because f dash 0 exists is given to us. Whatever is given we have to use that. f0 is given to us. So therefore f dash x is limit h tending to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x by h. So we multiply by 2 divide by 2 both are same 2f of x. Now if you take capital X or small x, the definition will remain always same. 2f of x minus 2 f of 2x equal to f of 0 that we substitute here. So this is nothing but definition of f dash 0. F dash x equal to f dash 0. F dash x is equal to minus 1 because f dash 0 they gave as minus 1. Fx equal to minus x plus c. X equal to 0, you get c equal to 1. So once you get c equal to 1, the given function is f of x is minus x plus 1, f of 2 is minus 2 plus 1 which is equal to minus